Hey, what's up, everybody? Once again, it's your boy, Steve B. How y'all doing? And how y'all doing? Check us out. We're going to do a little mukbang. I don't even know if this is a actual mukbang, but we're going to combine these 3 Mountain Dews to make an ultimate Mountain Dew. So it's going to be Mountain Dew, Voltage Mountain Dew, and Baja Blast Mountain Dew. We're going to combine it, and it's going to be great. Let me set this down. I'm only going to put I guess like a half a can in each one. 1. 2. Look at the change in color. It's wonderful. 3. Oh, yeah. Look at that. It looks like Ecto Burst. Is that the
Ecto Cooler?
Ecto Cooler. It looks like if Ecto Cooler was put into a glass. This is going to be great. Here we go. You think I can chug it? I'm going to try. I got to close this. Melissa. Here we go. On the count of 3. 2. The best Mountain Dew you ever tasted. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I'm not gonna chug that. That's worth savoring. Dude, that is some delicious morphed Mountain Dew. You want to try it? Here, off camera. Just say into the camera microphone how great it is.
That's actually not bad.
Isn't it good? That's great. Just set it right in front of the camera. You heard it, folks. We have the ultimate Mountain Dew. That once again, that's Mountain Dew regular with Baja Blast and Voltage. Delicious. It's great.